Hello and welcome. Today we're talking about PTSD and how it rewires your brain. PTSD isn't just in your mind, it's in your brain. Trauma actually rewires the way your brain works. Trauma doesn't just live in your memories, it rewires your brain, and that's why PTSD really is a survival pattern locked into place. We have three parts of the brain that are most affected. They include the amygdala, which is an almond-shaped cluster of nuclei located deep within each of the brain's temporal lobes. The amygdala, your fear detector, goes into overdrive, seeing threats everywhere. The hippocampus, which is also located deep within the brain's temporal lobes. Specifically, it sits just above each ear. The hippocampus, which organizes memories, struggles to separate past from present, so flashbacks actually feel like they're happening. And finally, the prefrontal cortex, which is located at the frontal lobe just behind our forehead. The prefrontal cortex, the rational part of your brain, goes quiet, making it harder to feel calm or in control. But here's the hopeful part. The brain can rewire itself. Neuroplasticity means healing is possible. With therapy, mindfulness, deep rest, and even theta waves, like the ones on this channel, the brain learns safety again. New pathways form. Slowly, survival turns back into living. If you or someone you know lives with PTSD, remember, healing is real and it is possible. Be patient with yourself. And if this message brought you comfort, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.